What's the one appliance that every household has to have? A refrigerator. It's an absolute necessity, so you want to make sure you keep that thing running as long, as efficiently as possible. Here are signs that you may need to replace your refrigerator. The back of the fridge feels hot. The motor is actually located at the back of the refrigerator, so it's not uncommon for there to be some additional heat back there. But if it starts feeling extremely excessively warm, that means the motor's running way too hard and it probably needs to be replaced. Food spoiling too fast. If you find that you have a lot of food that keeps going bad before the expiration date, chances are your fridge is not staying as cool as it should. This is a good sign it's time to take a look at buying a newer model. Excess condensation. If you open up your fridge and you're seeing water droplets everywhere, that's a good sign that it is not cooling like it should. It's a good time to take a look at potentially getting a new one. How's it sound? You probably don't realize this, but your fridge is constantly emitting a low hum. Here's the thing, if it gets way too loud or you don't hear it at all, those are both really good signs that something is wrong. If you notice a difference in the sound of what your refrigerator is making, and you will, it's a good time to make sure you're getting something new. Frequent repairs. I personally recently had to repair my refrigerator because one of the motor fans went out. Cost a couple $100 when I only spent about $600 on the refrigerator. I didn't want to go ahead and buy a new unit entirely just because there was a small thing that I could fix real easily, but if you continue to have multiple repairs over and over and over again, it may be a good time to go ahead and replace it. Too much frost in the freezer. Freezers are going to develop frost over time, it's just a common thing that happens. But if you have to go through with an ice pick to chisel out your frozen pizza, that means something's definitely wrong. Unexpected bill increase. If you notice a spike in your energy bill and nothing else has changed in the home, it's a good indicator that there's a potential that your fridge is working inefficiently, which is causing it to pull too much juice. Now's a good time to think about getting something else that has a higher efficiency rating and will keep your bills lower. Hey, thanks for checking out the Aaron Advantage. Be sure to check the link in the description below for the article where I found this information. Also, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with everything I post. And that's a wrap.